The sleeve acts as an isolator between the ball bearing and the housing. It keeps the bearing centered to the housing and the brushes to the armature, but still allows for a small amount of movement. The sleeve is typically replaced due to a bearing failure. A seized bearing will spin inside the sleeve, melting or tearing it. Replacing the sleeve is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the motor brushes from the tool. Next, I'll separate the gearbox from the motor housing. And pull the armature away from the housing. And now I can remove the sleeve from the bearing. Now I can install the new sleeve. Next, I'll reinstall the armature. I'll insert the armature into the housing, aligning the bearing with the opposite end. On the fan end, I'll align the bearing plate with the plastic pins on the housing. Then I'll make sure the armature is pressed firmly into the housing. And now I can reinstall the gearbox. And I'll secure it with the screws. I'll finish up by reinstalling the brushes. And that's how you can replace the sleeve in your polisher.